Alright, we're doing this again. Let's go. New run. Depart. Win streak of 2. Okay, I get to start with 2 stings. I get to start with invigorating. Ice tornado, I don't really want 2 of them, but 1 of them's not bad. Listen, I've won 2 in a row with Enchant Quick. Enchant Quick is just a good start. It does a lot. Playing a spell deals 2 damage to a random enemy unit on that floor. Yeah, I'll take that. Look at that, 10 pack shards. We're getting there. So now the shield units do damage. The 2 random damage is pretty nice. Not much Ember kind of sucks. Oh, come on. I'm guaranteed to get the gold. We'll kill the others next time. Yeah, easy kill. Could just use the tornado. It's unnecessary. Okay, it might be necessary. Why does the game hate me? There you go. I can kill those. I have the tornado. We're good. Oh, I should put a train sword up top, probably. I have 2 tornadoes. Good. We did kill it off. I don't want the Ember Drain next turn. I'm doing a big tornado. Big tornado. Sting. Okay, what is this unit? Hopefully it's amazing. Pyrogrow. I like Pyrogrow. Maybe it's stupid, but I like it. Draw 1, discard 1. I don't really like that. 3rd Ice Tornado. Skip. I think it's this one. Rage can be good, though. I do get to play a lot of spells, but this doesn't have multi-hit. This does have sweep. I have quick with sweep. This is enough to solve the game. I need a little bit of scaling. I need a little bit of defense. I already have a unit. Just give me the multi. And can't gain armor 2 is nice. Slay plus 3. Really, I would just switch to this unit. Except this one's not good to throw inside of it. No, I would... This one's good. Is it good? God, I got 3 sweep units. Alright. Why does the game hate me? Do I think I can find scaling without multi? No. There's another and can't gain armor. I'm already missing out on a multi from this. I shouldn't have even taken that unit. I should have looked for multi. Just giving this plus 30. Nah. This is gonna be rough. But I have spells that do some damage. I'm quick. I do need to get slays. These are quick. Frostbite. At the end of turn. Do I get to go? I get to go before the frostbite. That's one less kill that I get. Oops. I think the slays were enough, though. Except that you have a damage shield. It's kind of good that they have this extra armor. Surprisingly. Wow, these waves go by quick. Sure. We're just gonna skip it anyways. What about sharpen? I kind of like it. The last of the sweep units. Skip. Choose a divine artifact. I'll take money. Duplicate what? The sad thing is, no, I can go for the multi. Like I was going to say, I don't have anything to do on either side. Plus, there could be a good unit here. There could be Frost Shard with Endless. Quick. I could get something that works with Quick. Which would be neither of these. I don't like this game sometimes. 35 pack shards. Okay, there's plenty of places to get my pack shards. Holy crap, it's all the divine temples ever. I don't need gold, it doesn't do anything for me. I needed that event. But you can't get that event late in the game. Slays are good. It's hard for me to cast spells on that floor. Oh, I should have done the other foregone power first. There's a chance I could have got Frostbite on this twice. Sting is good. spikes are good, but so is card draw. Let's gain the spikes. You're a sweep unit. No, that steals a sleigh. Lame. I'm not getting this sleigh. I am getting this sleigh. Do I ever just put Frostbite on Daedalus? $29 plus 6 plus 2. No, the 6 comes at the end. So I either hit this one or I hit Daedalus. Do I have a sting coming up? I don't. It's not enough damage to kill this one. I'm just gonna put it here. No. It's okay, I have another tornado. I don't even know if the tornado's worth it for 4 damage. We'll see. No, it is worth it. God, I want to play these, but they'll end up killing random things. The sleighs are better. Could put down the train steward. Okay. Waves remaining 1. Don't kill this thing, but I do want the armor. Hey, it's still alive. Now it's dead. Small problem. I do not gain enough armor. But this thing has huge spell weakness. 1 tornado and it's all over. Siren Song? Okay. I could see it being energy or card draw. Let's do card draw. What if I got a double Frost Shark? Double Frost Shark would be kind of fun. What spells would I want? Merchant of Magic. It's kind of too early. I just like enhancing the root seeds. It's too early to get Holdover Siren Song. I think I am paying for this. Stings. The stings would be better if I wasn't trying to get sleighs. I think I want to try to get sweep on my champion more than I want the stings. Titan's Claw does a little bit and can't. Does get me more armor. I think that's enough. Double stack. Bam. We just spent a bunch of money, became a bit stronger. Strong enough for spikes 4 when I have quick sweep. I do gain armor. I do have Titan Sentry, but it's not endless. It hasn't been enhanced. Let's try it, but this is risky. Super risky. I have a lot of pyre health. Super risky. Why didn't I put this one out front? I'm not sure. Right, I'm stealing slays. If I played 2 of these, it would steal a slay. And I don't even get much armor, or the armor doesn't do much because it's in the back. Yeah, it's questionable to have that in the back. Almost killed that back one. Shark kills it. Ice tornado? Ice tornado. Spell shield. Oh, I probably should have put that here. Yeah. Wouldn't make a difference. Those spikes, pretty brutal. Could just send it up. Right now, I'm not getting the sleigh, but I could. I don't know if the sleigh is actually worth it. Oh, but my pyre would take damage attacking into the spikes too. How am I not killing this back one? Oh, it's healing for 20. Got it. Otherwise, this was getting the sleigh anyways. Don't think I'm getting the kill. I think the frostbite is. Yeah, this one's damage is not scaling enough. This is a problem. You gain 10 armor. I can't fit a train steward. My champion's about to die. You're about to take 52 damage. Oh, because I lose the quick. Crap. So I have to kill this one. Now I take 43. This ups this one's armor. But I gain my own armor. I think it's worth the pyre damage to get some survivability. I'm in trouble. I wish I got this one turn later. No, I don't think my pyre could do it in 6 turns. But this champion can't either. Okay. Yeah, that's rough. Didn't hit. I have another sting. Didn't hit. I'm getting armor. The frostbite helps. Okay, hit. Good hit. Oh, I have a sweep unit. Never mind, I didn't actually want to hit that back one. Spikes help a little bit. Your rage is wearing off. You have spikes. Frostbite helps a lot. Free spells help a lot. 197. 197. 270. Does Frostbite help more than upping my damage? I think it does, but I just want to play as many spells as I can. We got so lucky with that last one. Okay. 5 spell weakness. We're gonna get free stings. No, stings just do more damage. Okay. Can I take a second pyre grow? I feel like I can't. I think it's this one. What about this? I'm gonna take it. It's very expensive. Plus 20 magic power. No, I don't want the consume. Double stack. It's very expensive. Let's do it. Oh, I should have looked at the temple. Okay. And can't gain armor. Sweep slay. This one doesn't really do anything. I can't get the multi-hit. Is it worth having 2 of these? I think it is. It's not like I can scale their damage currently anyways. That's not a good thing though. Free kills? Sounds like free slays. Stupid frost shark. Frost shark's okay. Steals the slay here, but it gets me the gold. These are getting killed anyways. That saved this some health. I'm not getting as much frostbite on you, but this kind of fixes that. If I could discard this, that would be amazing. Oh, I thought that I had already duplicated this. I was waiting to get it. Never mind. Alright. You attacking me could actually get the slay here, I think. But if I screw it up, this thing would get the slay. 29. Yeah, right now... No, I'm only doing 69. You have 78. Maybe I should be upping this one's damage. I'm not sure. Okay, 31. We're up to 71. You have 76 HP. I should still be fine. 74. Even if I do this, I should be fine. Or I could start getting frostbite onto this. That might be important. I just played the sap card. Cool. 4 sap is not enough by itself, though. That's not a viable strategy. This does a lot of damage. Oh, this does too much damage. Oops. Not getting the slay. This is a sweep unit. So right now, 40 damage sweep. It's not enough. I need that multi-hit. The stings would kill. I'm not good at getting slays. I should be upping this one's damage. Sap is really important against this enemy. Frostbite's also decent. The frost shark. So drawing more cards would be important. What about spikes? You do have a good amount of armor. I'm gonna give you some spikes. This goes in the back, yes. That was a good draw with this. Hey, we already got the kill. This doesn't win. What am I doing? We need... what? Rooted +1 draw. Draw +1 each turn. I could put that inside of the Frost Shark and hope that I get Endless. I could put the Frost Shark inside of this and hope that I get Endless. It's just not as good as I thought it was. I'm skipping. So this thing's already set. I can't duplicate it. I don't have anything to do with the Frost Shark. I still have to get 50 packed shards. I am going to duplicate you, even though you don't do anything. Merchant of Magic would like be an incremental increase in my damage abilities. Not by much. A small amount. This could be a huge increase. Or it could be nothing. No! Merchant of Steel. I thought it was Merchant of... okay. The other thing. Merchant of Magic. Not Merchant of Magic. Merchant of Trinkets. I cannot think today. I couldn't think last video. I can't think this one. Alright. Endless means that HP is not as important. A little bit. I thought I was getting to look at a trinket shop and then a free trinket. I do have a good number of consumes. I'm going to take that because I want to get the slays myself if I can. With Sweep Quick and with the Frostbite Shark, they're kind of already competing with each other. Silence to enemy units. Trample. Trample doesn't do much here, but it's kind of cool. Lots of consumes for all of the heals ever. Give me Trample. If I had scaling, which I'm still looking for, Trample could be amazing. I could purge cards, but I don't think that does much for me either. We could have big stings. Oh, crap. I do have to get up pack shards. I can do it. Good stuff. Don't cast a spell on that floor. That's okay. I can play Consumes to get my health back. Frost Shark. You do very little. But Sap. Sap's a thing. Kind of cool. Not getting the slay on this sucks. Especially since I don't have good ways to kill it right now. I think Trample's just good on you. I could have killed this, which would have been a problem. Not a big problem, but a little bit. Do I risk it by playing Root Seeds? I think no, because I could play Root Seeds here. As weird as that is, it gets me the kill. 3 or 5. Both reserve. You do 0 damage. I was wondering why I wasn't getting attacked. Okay. Could play this. I feel like I need to. Either way, I was getting 1 slay. Lots of 0 cost cards. There's a chance I lose this one, which does suck, but it's worth it. Okay, it's becoming less worth it. The trample means that I get to do extra damage to this, right? How does that work? It would do a lot more if I was doing big damage, which I'm not doing. So the more slays I get, the more damage I get. Right, these do 30 apiece though. If I threw 2 of these into this, 34. Huh. You're gonna die. Would this die? No. Six dazed. 2 waves remain. I'm getting the kills here. I'm getting 2 slays at least. Double damage. Big damage. Can't move up the statue? Lame. Would I want to root this? Not really. Would I want to sap it? Yes. Although dazed and sap don't really work well together. Yeah, because it's dazed longer than it has sap. That's okay. God, I want to play spells on this floor, and I can. I should be enhancing this one, though. Frost is good. Spikes are good. Spell weakness 2, so this does big damage. Oh no, it had spell shield. I knew that. Would this use up the spell weakness? No. Okay, good. Good stuff. Endless Frost Shark. So I can play that again on the top floor. Sap helps. Can I discard the sap? There's a chance. Can I guarantee the discard? No, because these can discard each other. Now I can guarantee it. Nine spell weakness. But this stupid thing is going to be blocking my tornado. Tornado hits at random? I didn't get it anyways. Okay, 47. 60 HP. Not good. The Frostbite's gonna help. How many hits can my Pyre take? Not many. Oh, this thing's doing big damage. I think I just lost. I did just lose. My Pyre can only take like one set of hits. Brutal. Alright, next time, we're gonna get this win. For now, that does it for this episode. Thanks for watching.